Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I got a wig from Megalook hair, and this is the unit. It is blonde with highlights and it comes pre-curled. Now these curls lasted forever, ever and ever and ever. Now anyways, this is the lace. I was trying to show you all, but the lace is completely invisible. There's no knots needed to bleach. So this wig can really be worn straight out of the packaging. You definitely would need to do a little bit of plucking on the hairline to make it look more natural. And let's get into how I actually installed my unit. So I tried to do this a little bit neater because blonde wigs on my skin tone, I feel like you should really take your time to get it to kind of look right. So anyways, I added a lot of makeup to the lace just because for my comfortability, I like my blonde wigs to be a little darker at the roots. I don't know, I feel kind of funny when I have the blonde right at my root, but I think it's just because I don't really know how to install it that way to where it would look good. So anyways, so a little bit about this wig. I did not shampoo it because I wanted to keep the curls, and I didn't bleach the knots. However, I did take a good portion of the middle of the wig out because I have a low hairline. So this wig typically would have a fuller hairline, like right where my thumb is. That whole section I took out because again, I have a low hairline. And it was honestly very easy. The lace did not rip while I was doing it. So I would say that the lace is very nice. And yeah, it was super easy to customize. I didn't have any issues with tangling. Of course, I took a lot of the hair in the front out. So that was like the shedding, you know. But other than that, very nice. No issues with tangling. And like I said, the hair comes curled. So that's also very nice. And it wasn't tangling. These curls honestly lasted forever. I didn't have to do anything but just brush them out. Just continue to brush them out to get that kind of diffused look. So anyways, I'm just using my Eben spray to install my unit. And yeah, it was super easy. Like I said, you can wear this unit right out of the packaging because it's already styled for you. So definitely try them out. I have the links in my description box below if anyone is interested. And let me know, please, if you are around my skin tone or just anyone that's like a darker tone or browner tone. Are there any tricks that you do when you're installing a blonde unit? But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and check out some of my other videos if you have not already. But thank you guys again for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one.